In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho CRM to N8n in just a few simple steps. If you're building automations and want to bring your Zoho CRM data into N8n, this connection is the first thing you need to set up. It only takes a moment, and once it's connected, you can start creating workflows that save time and automate your CRM tasks. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is where you'll add the Zoho CRM integration, so make sure you're in the correct workflow before continuing. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the left side of the screen. From there, search for and choose Zoho CRM. After selecting it, you'll see the Zoho CRM node appear inside your workflow. Next, choose any action you want from the available options. You can pick the action that best fits what you're trying to automate, since the main goal right now is just to connect the account successfully. After selecting the action, look for the Connect option and click Connect to Zoho. This will start the authorization process. Now follow the prompts to connect it. Sign in to your Zoho account, approve the permissions, and allow N8n to access the account. Once the connection is completed, Zoho CRM will be linked to N8n and ready to use in your workflow. And that's it. You've now connected Zoho CRM to N8n. From here, you can continue building out your automation and use Zoho CRM inside your workflow however you need. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more fast and easy tutorials.